I always look at it like, you know, if you get a 1% click-through rate on a banner, right, it can be pretty good sometimes, right? 1 out of 100 people say yes. I'm always curious as to like the 99 that said no. Like, why did they say no? How can I make that slightly better, right? How can I make my click-through rate higher and get 2% conversion or 3% conversion? Even at 3% conversion, you still had 97% of the people tell you no. So I'm obsessed with why they said no. That 3% that converted, awesome, great, like that's our money. But I'm more curious about like how I could make things slightly better so that, you know, I capture more of the 97% of people that told me no. That's where I put my focus on, is to convert those people. Like, I look at my job as, until I get 100% conversion rate, my job's not done, right? And I know I'll never get that, probably. But I think that mentality will take you very, very far in this world, is having that constant curiosity and sense of improvement. Because the reality is that you could go to every part of your organization and extract little slight improvements across the most mundane parts of your business, whether it's, you know, how long does it take your customer service to get back to someone? Okay, it was 5 hours. How can we make it 4 hours or 3 hours or instant? Or, you know, like a product, how can I make it slightly better or different? So like, I think it's that sense of curiosity of always wanting to improve. I think if you have that mentality in your business and you have a willingness to look at the reality of it, like put everything else aside and look at what it is and make changes based on what is, I think you're going to be in really, really good shape.